Hi, and welcome to the fourth episode of The Time Is Now. In this episode, we're going to tell you about 5 tips to keep yourself disciplined. So, without any further ado, let's begin. Number 1. Create a to-do list. Before the work starts, you should know what to do. Make a list of tasks. Divide these tasks into 3 categories: easy, moderate, and challenging. Easy tasks require minimum effort, and challenging tasks require sharp focus and hard work. The benefit of this exercise is that you will always complete half of it very quickly, which will motivate you to take on the challenging tasks every day. Number 2. Minimize distractions. In this world of clickbait titles and notification sounds, we get distracted when our phone is around. When you decide to work, keep the session short and focused. Silence your phone. Remove anything that distracts you from your work. Number 3. Let the process be slow. Do it slowly. Do you remember the moral of the hare and tortoise story? Slow and steady wins the race. When we start adapting to a new lifestyle, new goals, new habits, we change our schedule and our work pattern. A lot is changed in your life suddenly. Our minds may find it challenging to accept these changes. So, we need to slow down the process. Make these changes slowly and gradually. Let these changes flow correctly into your system and settle. When it happens slowly, these changes stay. Number 4. White spaces. The 50-10 rule. When we exercise, our muscles get tired and sometimes we take breaks and then we're ready to do it again. Our brain is just like that. It gets tired, so we need to give it regular breaks. Follow the 50-10 rule. Work for 15 minutes and take a 10 minutes break. In this break, let your brain cool down. Studies suggest that during this time, our brain works 85% compared to the time when we are working. After 3 to 4 cycles of the 50-10 rule, take more extended breaks. It will increase your focus during those 15 minutes. Last tip. Identify if the work that you do makes you happy. The last and most important thing is be happy. Productivity, achievement, and all the other things hold no value if you're not comfortable doing your work. Remember, happiness comes first. When you are happy, you are the most active. When you are active, you are the most productive. And when you are productive, you can take over any tasks. Just do the things that make you happy. So, these were the 5 tips that will help you stay motivated. Every person is different, so you have to figure out the reason that keeps you going. In the next episode, we're going to talk about why is it the best time to start a business with Shop 101. Till then, stay home, stay safe.